A day at the beach at Great Yarmouth. Fun for the whole family that's so often plagued by these seagulls. They may be a staple of seaside life, but they so often put a sour taste in the mouth of beachgoers.
I was in the marketplace and I was waiting outside the bank, and there was such a commotion, and as I turned round there was a young lady with a sandwich, and she literally got it out of the packet and went, and the seagull come down and took it. I couldn't believe it.
Well, they're nice to see. I mean, can be a pain, like, when it's 3-4 o'clock in the morning when they start squawking, you know what I mean, and that, but the worst is they steal your food. But that's our fault, because we get lazy, we throw food on the floor. They followed our rubbish tips inland, I mean, you go to any landfill site and there's probably more seagulls there than you'll find in a seaside town.
My son lives about a 5-hour journey from me, so he was working fairly close to where I live. So we decided to meet at the seaside, and we met up, and first thing first, an ice cream. So we go along to the pier, we buy our ice creams, and Tom's 6'4", so a big chap, and he's suddenly going, "Mum, I don't know what this is," and put his ice cream up in the air, and it was gone. The seagull just swooped in, took it out of his hand, and it was there on the floor.
As any keen twitcher will tell you, seagulls don't really exist. The birds you see here at the beach are actually herring gulls, and their population is in decline. Statistics by the British Trust of Ornithology estimate that in 1993 there were 1.5 million herring gulls in the UK. Today, there's only 700,000 birds left. That may sound like a lot of birds, but the population's declined by more than half in the last 30 years, enough to put the humble seagull on the BTO's red list. Not the first bird that pops into one's head when you think of an endangered species. Ron feeds birds out of his beach hut on the Yarmouth seafront, and his opinion of these seagulls seems wholly different to those of everyone else out today.
They're very friendly to me, and they've got fantastic eyesight. No, they're no pests whatsoever. They were here before we were here. They're very clever, very intelligent, and they come right up. I just give them an apple, and they come up, and I give them, sometimes I give them cake, and because there's no fish, there's very few fish in the sea. Very precious bird, and they've got to be protected.
Perhaps this is a lesson, that the next time you see some chips stolen or a bin rummaged through, you should not be angry, but should instead spare a thought for the humble seagull.